Peterson Department of Assigned Counsel. And speaking with Mr. Herbert, I will just note for the court that he is going through some housing difficulties, which has prevented him set him back a little bit as far as kind of making some progress here. He does have his evaluation scheduled for Monday, and he has the victim impact panel scheduled for May 18th. So things are on the schedule. He was just set back a little bit by some of the housing issues he's encountered recently.
Herbert, it looks like, are you updating your mailing address there?
Yes, ma'am, I am. So,
Perfect.
yeah. So is there any way we could just do like contact by email, because we did have some issues with the residents.
You can put email on
Yeah.
there that we typically don't use when we're sending out a notice
Gotcha.
or summons.
I'll just keep calling the court like weekly.
Yeah. I do see that you called.
Yeah, I wasn't sure I was gonna make it today, but I got here.
So, Mr. Herbert, are you aware of our resource center across the street?
Yes, ma'am, Mr. Andrew Gilstein.
Isn't he phenomenal?
Yes, he was my probation officer for many years.
Okay, good. So you know you can always contact him for housing issues,
Okay.
SUV issues, any of that. And they even go above and beyond.
All right.
So, all right. So what's the city's position here?
Yeah, I'm just checking out.
The city is satisfied that he has appointments for the things that he hasn't filed with the courts. We have no objection to sending it over.
Here's what I'm going to do.
I didn't appear for 6 months, Your Honor. I did not appear. My attorney didn't appear for 6 months. I did the same. It was a horrible mistake, and then I did go to jail for that. But even the 6 months right here, I did call. I did talk to the court. I tried to keep in good contact. I told everybody everything. And yeah, I'm a big fan of communication.
Okay. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that you are in violation. I'm not going to impose any sanction right now because you indicated that you have these things scheduled.
Okay.
And so I'm just going to give you 30 days to show proof that you have an evaluation done.
Okay.
60 days to start, if they're recommending treatment, to get into treatment.
Gotcha.
And then you need to complete whatever recommended treatment it is.
Yeah.
And so we're going to check the file for those things.
Gotcha.
And then if you're still in violation, then we'll summons you back in to address it.
Gotcha.
Because I don't want to set a hearing for no reason and then you're in compliance and then you have to show up. It just doesn't make sense. So.
Your Honor, there was a hearing set for January that was just I was uninformed of, and then I called and talked to the court about that too. But it was a updated hearing and stuff like that. But I was not aware of that. And then I called in and found out like the day before. I was told I wouldn't be able to make it. So there's something that happened like in January, but I never got any notice, and I've been having issues with contact with the Department of Assigned Counsel. But she's wonderful. But on top of that too, like they got a response saying I did not live at the address, and then I was supposed to get everything I was supposed to do today was supposed to be done like 2 months ago, and I apologize for not having it done. But
Do you think with your address issues, it might be more helpful to just have a court date set? That way you don't not get notice of them?
yeah, no, I was just making sure we get everything set right here, like we all are on the same page.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, because Your Honor, what I'm thinking is just because he has had some difficulty getting summons and is having some housing
Set a
difficulties,
court date.
I think it might be more helpful. That way he doesn't not get the
Okay.
summons.
Yeah.
So let's
No.
set a court date then at 60 days out,
Gotcha.
a little over 60.
Mhm.
And so you'll have the court date in hand. We'll put
Yeah,
it
yeah.
on court order. And then if you're in full compliance, you can contact your attorney, and maybe the attorney can just, ask the court to strike the hearing before the hearing date because you're in full compliance. How
Gotcha.
does that sound? So make sure your attorney has a good phone number.
Yeah. So my phone number's been the same the entire time, but my whole entire issue is like
Get this.
here, go for it.
Just
I never
so
got
you
like my when I was in custody. I never got my any information about my plea deal. Like so I was supposed to have a different court date, and then I just been having nothing but issues with assigned counsel. As you see, 6 months I didn't show up to court because Mr. Ainsley didn't show up to court. He didn't come to one of my hearings.
We have a clean slate now.
We
okay?
do.
Going forward, you're going to have your new court date. You're going to get your eval, the treatment, DV, victim
Yep.
impact. victim impact panel done, and then maintain law-abiding behavior. Don't consume any alcohol, drugs, to include cannabis, only prescribed medications. Just going through your conditions of release here. Do not possess any firearms, dangerous weapons, or concealed pistol license. No contact with Michaela McCabe. No contact. Order's already previously been signed. Make sure you stay in contact with your attorney, and then we'll see you here in just over 60 days. Okay.
Gotcha.
All right.
That's okay.
2:30 back in this courtroom, and I'll get you a copy of your court order.
Okay, thank you.
I got your contact information, so I'll just update it in file just in case somebody doesn't have it. Make sure you show up for that court date,
Yeah,
unless you have everything done. In which case, reach out to us like a week before, we can get it checking for you, okay?
Gotcha. Okay, thanks so much. So, fill this out.
Oh, yeah. And definitely, I would check in with them, because I know there's some great housing resources that might help you out. So, we're going through all that.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Your order.